Just recently, on April 7th, we experienced a full moon known as the super pink moon. Well, what exactly is a super pink moon and what makes it so super or pink? First, let's start with the full moon itself. Every 28 days, the moon orbits around the Earth on an elliptical path. The moon has been orbiting around the Earth for so long, and Earth's gravity is so strong that it spins very slowly on its axis. This is called tidally locked. This is why we always see the same side of the moon. As the moon rotates around the Earth, the amount of light that is hitting the side we see changes depending on its orientation in reference to the sun. Particularly for a full moon, the side of the moon we see is 100% covered in light when it is positioned behind the Earth. This is what we witnessed on April 7th. Alright, now we know why it's a full moon, but what makes it so super? Well, the Earth's orbit isn't a perfect circle. It's a little more elongated on one end and closer to the Earth on the other. The points in the orbit that are the farthest and closest from the Earth are called apogee and perigee. When the moon hits its perigee, it appears larger than normal because it is closer to us. If this is the case, how come we don't have a supermoon every full moon? Well, this is because the moon's orbit changes orientation while the Earth orbits around the sun. Plus, the moon's orbital period is 27 days, while its phase period is 29.5 days. So it's a little rare, only happening a couple of times per year. Lastly, what gives April's full moon the title pink? Around the world, various civilizations named the moon based on what was occurring during that time of year. The pink moon in this case represented the blooming of ground phlox, a pink blooming flower native to North America. This name was used by the Algonquian tribe and American colonists. Other names from other regions include the goose moon, named by the Cree for geese returning north during April, and the sucker moon, named after the sucker fish by the Ojibwe.